Small mini lathe. What would you recommend? This video will introduce you to high-precision bench mini metal lathes. A mini metal lathe is a compact, workbench-sized version of a standard center lathe, offering essential turning, facing, drilling, and threading capabilities. With motors ranging from 0.5 to 1.5 horsepower, it typically handles up to 12 swing diameter and 20 between centers. It uses full-size tooling carbide inserts, parting tools, for precision work on small parts. Mini lathes are used by novices, enthusiasts, home shop machinists, and even professionals due to their low cost, portability, and ease of use. Headstock contains the spindle, gearbox, and speed change mechanism. It drives the cutting tool or rotates the workpiece via the chuck. Bed, the rigid base that aligns the carriage and tailstock with the spindle axis. Proper leveling of the bed is crucial for accurate, chatter-free cuts. Carriage supports and feeds the cutting tool. You control it manually with hand wheels for rough shaping, or engage the feed shaft for automatic longitudinal or cross feeds. Tailstock, opposite the headstock, it holds drill bits, centers, or reamers. It slides along the bed and clamps to support long workpieces or bore holes. Mini lathes can be set for speed, feed, and cutting depth. Mini lathes can be set for speed, feed, and cutting depth. Mini lathes are ideal for precision machining small parts, because they use the same tools as full-size lathes, including high-speed steel, carbide inserts, and cutting tools. If you are looking for a suitable mini lathes, you can contact us at WMTCNC. We will provide you with a solution based on your needs.